Hello, and thank you for visiting my channel Willa at Home. Today I am presenting 7 beginners work from home jobs. These jobs are great for those who have no experience, just entering the workforce, and those who want to earn extra income. These type of positions will give you the opportunity to spend less time working, and more time with your family. The first company is Lionbridge. At Lionbridge you work from home as a search engine evaluator. You will analyze the search engine results based on ad placements. You can work from home part-time, earning around $13 per hour. There is no experience required, but you will need to take an assessment beforehand. The second company is Tutor. This company uses a mobile app that will pay you to teach English to Chinese students through video chat. If you are fluent in English, have a smartphone and stable, fast internet connection, you are qualified to apply to be an English tutor. The pay for this kind of work is $10 per hour. You will be able to request your earnings after you have made $20 through your PayPal account. It is open to tutors in the US, Canada, England, Australia and other countries. The third company is Schematalk. If you are a native English and speak English fluently, then you can apply for Schematalk. You can teach English from anywhere in the world with this site. You will need a computer with a built-in microphone or a headset, as well as Skype installed on your computer in order to take lessons. Sessions last around 25 minutes and you can earn up to $1,000 per month or more with this company. The fourth company is Italki. Work from home as a community tutor for Italki, where you can meet and help students from all over the world learn a new language by way of Skype. You are able to schedule and set your own hours and prices as a tutor. There is no experience required, but you will need to either have a verified PayPal account, Alipay account, WebMoney account or Moneybookers, Skrill account in order to get paid. You will also need a computer or tablet, headset and webcam, Skype or other free VoIP programs to tutor students online. You will be required to make a short 2 to 4 minute video introduction about yourself to display your teaching style to potential students. In most cases, Italki's website does not require you to be a native English speaker. The fifth company is Constant Content. You will write content in the form of articles for customers and get paid cash when they buy them. Make sure that you submit content that only you have written, because you will get banned from this site if you use another person's content. The sixth company is Appen. Appen has various work-at-home jobs, including short-term projects as a social media evaluator, voice data collection, crowdsourcing projects, translators, copywriters and more. They offer a flexible schedule for busy people and pay more than minimum wage. The seventh company is Needle. At Needle, you will work from home helping people with various brands and products as a chat agent. You have the potential to earn at least $10 per hour and possibly more if there is a surge in traffic on their website. You will earn money sharing your expertise and get to chat with customers at the same time. Thank you for watching and visiting Willa at Home. If this is the first time visiting my channel, subscribe. Then click the bell so that you will be notified of upcoming jobs and other helpful information. Click the thumbs up to like this video. And have a nice day.